So this one starts with 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. You're heading that way. 7. Okay? You're going to be in this position here with these arms. So your right arm is back, left arm forward. Okay? Is that right? I've got that right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Like you're running. It should look like you're running. Okay? You're doing a right turn. 1, 2, 3. Put your weight onto your left leg. Hands in front of you here. You're going to go 5, 6, 7. That looks like this. 5, 6, 7. Yeah? So from there, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're facing in that direction, so we're going to mambo in that direction with 1, 2, step back and drag. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, step back and drag. 5, 6, 7. Again, opposite arm to leg on the 3 when you're dragging. And the final part is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Plant your weight on this leg, on your left leg, because you're going to go 7, 8. You're going to put your weight on your 8 step on your right leg so you can mambo forward. And the weight change there gives you a height difference. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from the top, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.